Thank you for watching. For more resources and tips, visit our website or subscribe for updates. Performance management is an ongoing process that aligns individual and team performance with organizational goals. It's more than an annual review. It's a continuous conversation between managers and employees. This process clarifies expectations, provides feedback, and supports employee growth. When done well, it connects daily work to the company's big picture objectives. For example, if customer service is a priority, performance management focuses on behaviors that create happy customers. Employees see how their roles matter, which boosts motivation and engagement. For organizations, it tracks progress, identifies top talent, and spots issues early. For employees, it offers clear expectations, regular feedback, and a fair basis for rewards and development. Ultimately, it's a partnership, managers and employees working together for shared success. The focus is on future potential and continuous improvement, not just past performance. Clear goals, ongoing support, and open communication build a high-performance culture. This benefits everyone, from new hires to the CEO. Performance management is the engine that drives organizational effectiveness. Performance appraisals are formal reviews of an employee's work over a set period. They serve two main purposes: administrative and developmental. Administratively, appraisals inform decisions about raises, promotions, and terminations, ensuring fairness and consistency. They create a documented record to support these actions. Developmentally, appraisals provide feedback on strengths and areas for growth. Managers and employees use this feedback to create personal development plans. Appraisals also clarify performance expectations and review progress toward goals. This keeps everyone aligned and focused on priorities. The process encourages open communication and builds trust. Documentation from appraisals helps track trends and plan for future talent needs. In short, appraisals drive improvement and support fair, informed decisions. Organizations use two main types of appraisal methods: comparative and non-comparative. Comparative methods like ranking and forced distribution rate employees against each other. These are simple and useful for administrative decisions, but can create unhealthy competition and offer little developmental feedback. Non-comparative methods such as behaviorally anchored rating scales, BARs, and graphic rating scales measure performance against set standards. These provide clearer, actionable feedback and focus on individual growth. BARs uses specific job behaviors as benchmarks, while graphic rating scales assess traits like quality or communication. Non-comparative methods are better for coaching but can be time-consuming to develop. Both methods have pros and cons. Choosing the right one depends on your goals. The best systems often combine elements of both for a balanced approach. The key is to ensure fairness, clarity, and usefulness for both employees and managers. Effective appraisals support both organizational decisions and employee development. The performance review meeting is where feedback and future plans are discussed. Preparation is crucial. Managers should review data and set a positive, private environment. Start with strengths to build rapport, then address areas for improvement with specific examples. Focus on behaviors and their impact, not personal traits. Make the review a two-way conversation. Encourage employees to share their perspectives and goals. Ask open-ended questions and listen actively. The aim is collaborative problem-solving, not judgment. End the meeting by setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Agree on next steps and summarize key points for clarity. Document the plan and ensure both parties understand expectations. Finish on a positive note, expressing confidence and support. Regular follow-ups keep progress on track. Effective reviews build trust and drive performance. Performance data is vital for talent management and organizational growth. It helps identify high-potential employees and future leaders using tools like the 9-box grid. This data supports succession planning, ensuring key roles are filled from within. Employees see clear paths for advancement, boosting motivation. When performance falls short, a performance improvement plan, PIP, offers structured support. A PIP outlines specific gaps, sets measurable goals, and provides resources for improvement. Progress is monitored, and outcomes are clearly defined. Success means returning to good standing. Failure may lead to further action. All steps are documented for transparency. Using performance data strategically builds a stronger, more agile organization. Ready to transform your organization's performance management process? Don't stop here. Visit our website for in-depth resources, downloadable templates, and expert guidance to help you implement what you've learned today. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to subscribe for more actionable insights on talent management and organizational growth. Have questions or need personalized advice? Reach out using the contact information in the description below. Start building a high-performing team today.